Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand how to remove vouchers marked for deletion on the portal in GSTR1 of Tally Prime. When you have already exported or uploaded a voucher for GST returns, it might get into the marked for deletion on portal section in GSTR1 in different scenarios. You might have deleted the voucher in the books after exporting or uploading for GST returns. Therefore, the voucher gets into the section. When you change the voucher number after exporting or uploading for GST returns, the voucher gets into the marked for deletion on portal section. A voucher also gets into the marked for deletion on portal section when you change the party after exporting or uploading for GST returns. Let's first see how the vouchers get into the marked for deletion on portal section in GSTR1. Press Alt-G. Type R1 and open GSTR1. Press F2 to change the period if needed. Let's drill down from the B2B invoices section. Open the voucher that is already exported or uploaded for GST returns. Let's change the voucher number and press Ctrl A to save. Now, press Escape and open marked for deletion on portal. The voucher is here. Now, let's see another scenario in which the voucher gets into the marked for deletion on portal section. In GSTR1, drill down from the B2B invoices section. Open the voucher that is already exported or uploaded for GST returns. Let's change the party. For example, let's select another party. Save the dispatch details and the party details screens. Select the relevant tax ledgers if needed. And the tax gets updated. Press Ctrl A to save the voucher. Press Escape and open marked for deletion on portal. The voucher with the previous party is here. Let's see how to export the GST return with the delete requests so that there are no vouchers in the marked for deletion on portal section. When a voucher is exported and also uploaded on the GST portal and then altered, there will be delete requests under the marked for deletion on portal section. In such a case, you need to upload the delete requests on the GST portal. Let's export the vouchers with the delete request. Press Alt-E and select GST returns. You can see the vouchers with the delete request. Select the vouchers. Press X and then press C to export. Consequently, in GSTR1, the marked for deletion on portal section gets removed. You can then upload the vouchers exported with the delete request on the GST portal. Now, let's see how you can remove the vouchers directly from GSTR1. If the vouchers were exported but not uploaded on the GST portal, then you don't need the delete requests. Moreover, if the delete requests are also already uploaded on the GST portal, you might not want to see them again in GST returns. In such cases, you will not require the vouchers that are marked for deletion as there is no impact on the GST returns. Therefore, you can reset the delete request for such vouchers in order to remove them. Open Marked for Deletion on portal. Select both the vouchers. Press Alt-Q to reset delete request. Press Y. The vouchers get removed from the section. You can also reset the delete request from the Upload GSTR1 screen. Consider the same vouchers are still marked for deletion. Press Alt-E and select GST returns. Select both the delete requests and press Alt-Q to reset delete request. Press Y. As you saw, the delete requests are removed. As you saw, you can easily remove vouchers marked for deletion on the portal in GSTR1 either by exporting them for GST returns or by resetting the delete request from GSTR1. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.